Now we'll take a look at how the methodology for developing the Basic Business Advisors report works. The statistics are taken from the reports and put into a Word document that are shared with stakeholders, Community Futures, Columbia Basin Trust, and others in order to demonstrate the trends and progress of the program itself. So here we see the Excel document, which is noted has been used through year 1 through year 2, quarter 3, and typically we would copy and paste the lovely charts. We'll create some outlines around these tables, and then we paste them into a Word document. And that Word document will then have some narrative around it to explain the metrics that are being provided. Moving forward, the data is going to be coming from a number of different tables that are being generated from the new report. What we're doing in this case is we're manually taking the data that is generated by these reports and we're placing them into charts that have been provided by Columbia Basin Trust. Here I'm just doing some examples. And this will generate the different trends across the different statuses, etc. These will then be copied as a table and will be pasted into the reports that are generated by the Basic Business Advisors. So in this case, that example will be way up here. So we'll take that table and we'll then paste it into the Word document. One of the things we will recommend in the reporting is that we continue to streamline this, so we're getting away from manual data entry, copying from one chart and pasting into another and then pasting into a Word document. It does provide a margin of error, obviously, for mistakes that are made with data entry, despite the proof checking that we have both for grammar in the narratives and the numbers in the charts. So right now, that is basically the methodology that we're using, would be to take a look at the different charts that are produced by the reports, the new reports, and taking the information from that, manually entering it into an Excel spreadsheet, and then manually cutting, pasting that into a Word document. So looking forward into year 3, we would suggest new ways to streamline that to continue to reduce any data errors. The reports themselves are providing some great data. We just want to make sure that they're being entered succinctly into the reports.